If you eat almonds every day, what happens to your body? Here are the effects on your body. Studies have shown that almonds help with weight loss, especially in the belly area. Stay in a good mood. Almonds are an excellent source of magnesium, which plays a crucial role in mood regulation and coping with stress. Keep your heart healthy. Almonds are rich in unsaturated fats, which help promote good cholesterol levels and protect your heart health. Improve sleep quality. Almonds are naturally rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a key role in the production of serotonin, the sleep hormone. Reduce hunger. Almonds keep you feeling full thanks to their fiber and protein content. This makes them an ideal snack to control appetite and help with weight loss. Share with someone who need it, and drop a yes, I will try it. Now tell me from which country do you watching this video, leave in the comment and follow us. Thank you.